Well, if you get close to it, just pop it
The 4-engine. There you go, Jim. 4 engines on that one.
4-engine. You ever had a 4-engine before?
I have not.
How much they want for that thing? About 3?
Yeah, I think it's 300 or so. There's a flying witch. This is all their auction planes. A couple of them look like they're on their last leg, gonna need a lot of tender loving care. Some of them are actually pretty decent shape with moderate prices. Frame here for 180. Big old Sig Rascal. Looks like he's got 400 listed on it. Fine and price Spectrum in it. Nice size plane there. A little on the high price for today's economy, but not a bad selection. Big 228 E-Flight. Looks like he's got 200 on it. Ultra stick roll here.
Said I wouldn't mind even.
Couple of large ones over here. These are both 1800. Choice on them, 1800. Overall, it's a fairly small show. There's probably 150 people in here. Got concession machines over there. They're supposed to have a food concession set up, but I haven't seen it out here. Let's see, persons of note. I've seen our club president, Tim, out here. I've seen Sparky out here, and I've seen Fitz Walker from RC Roundtable Podcast. Matter of fact, I think they're going to be doing a show here pretty soon, live from the event. So let me walk out here on the floor and see if we can get anything. Speaking of the man, the myth, the legend, there's Fitz, and I think that's one of the buddies there. We'll say hi to Fitz when he gets through talking. This is at the Allen High School.
This is the large plane area.
Oh, large plane. Okay. These are the prizes over here that they're raffling off. They did say you had to be present to win. That fellow right there is the one that told me that. Got a couple of nice things on there. I wouldn't mind that T-28 or the Corsair. But unfortunately, I don't think I want to stick around here for 4 or 5 hours.
Good morning, and welcome to the 3rd annual RC Swap Meet Auction.
There's all the connectors table. This lady and her husband comes around to all the shows.
Podcast. They'll be doing a live podcast.
They have a website too. I think I can see their card.
Say a few words about RC Roundtable.
We're not at $9.
Hello, everybody. This is Walker from the RC Roundtable podcast, where we talk about all things RC, especially in everybody's. It's a bi-weekly podcast. We've been running for several years. Go to rcroundtable.com. That's rcroundtable.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube. We walk around the convention center here, or cafeteria. We walk around. By all means, come up and say hello to us. We love talking. We talk about our podcast. But co-host Lee is on camera.
All right, so got back from the Allen RC swap meet today. Picked up 3 planes. Got this Park Zone T-28 and paid $60 for it. It does need a receiver in it. Picked up this little foam board MiG-29 and it's complete with receiver. I paid $40 for it. And then the sucker that I am, I bought another F9 Panther free wing. It's been wrecked. You can see a crack in the wing there that's been repaired right along here. Not sure how well it's been repaired, but it feels pretty solid. But that one right there was probably the deal of the show. That was $15. No receiver in it, but it does have the fan, the motor, and everything, ESC. So that's a pretty good deal, $15. So about $115 total for the 3 planes. They did have a couple others up there that I was interested in, but man, they were priced almost new price. They had an Arrows Bearcat that was in real good shape. Looked like it was almost new, and it was priced at $200. And I think those are only like $229, $239 brand new. So it wasn't really no stellar deals. Other than these 3 right here is about all I saw. All right, well that wraps up the Allen RC swap meet on August 20th of 2022. Thanks for watching.